Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door boot spring clamp on your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the clamp is damaged or rusted, not holding the boot in place properly, and water starting to leak out. For this repair, we'll be using a flathead screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this will be the washer that we're using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to open up our washer door here, and what you're going to want to do is just peel back on the boot here, and you'll see there's a metal ring that goes all the way around. So you're going to want to find where that metal ring is attached to a spring, which we have right down here. See the spring on the ring there. So now what we're going to do is I'm just going to take a flathead screwdriver. I'm just going to go underneath the ring here, and I'm going to use this screwdriver to pry it up, and we'll just go around a little bit until we can get that ring right off. And this is our clamp right here. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement spring clamp, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we're going to put our spring clamp back on, and we're going to just set it in the groove all the way around best that we can. And you're going to get to a certain point where you're not going to be able to do that anymore. It's going to be hard to stretch by hand. So what we're going to do is we're just going to use a flathead screwdriver here, and just very carefully, because this is rubber material, you don't want to puncture it. But the easiest way that I've found is just stretching kind of like a spring. If you've got a trampoline or something at home, you know exactly how this works. But just taking it and prying it down, and you want to hold the other side where your spring is coming up a little bit so it doesn't come out. So we're just going to go like that. And if not, it might take a couple tries here and there, but should be able to get it eventually. Just push that down. Just hold that in place, and let that piece down right there. There we go. And now you're just going to want to double check it and make sure that you've got the seal all the way around and that clamp is on there real good. And once you've checked that and you're okay with it, you can close up your door, plug everything back in, and your repair is complete. I really hate insect puns. They bug me. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.